Hello friends, today we are going to talk about life and death. My English is not so good, but as much as possible I will try to present all these things in front of you in a good way. Many times in our life we do not think much about what happens after death, but many people must have got this question, and as much as I have seen, many times we do not get the answer properly. I will try to tell you all these things in full details one by one. One thing I want to say you that I have done research for 8 to 9 years to get answers to all these questions. So all the things which I am going to tell you is the information from my research. What is life? Let's first talk about what is life. As much as I have seen life such a treaty that is given to every human being to do a good work, but our real home is not house of the earth. Knowing who we are is very important. Everyone feels that we are same as the body, but we are not. We have a lot more than this. To be honest, we have our soul which never dies. Life gives a very big chance that how we work in life depends on the progress of our soul. What is death? Now let's talk about what is death. Death is not the end. It is the stage where we have to stop for some time and start our journey again. If we know what death is, then we can understand easily. So we need to know it a lot. First of all, we have to know that this earth which works here for one purpose. There is a superpower that runs the earth or gives life to people here. It does all things we can call the superpower or a nature. We can call it energy, we can say God, or we can say anything which we like. But it is very important for us to know that there is a big superpower than all of us. We do all the things and whatever it handles the earth. We believe or not, but there is a definitely such a superpower in this world. It is the superpower that makes the world. That very big energy has made us and given birth here on earth. Our soul is the also part of that energy. If we talk about the soul, then the soul has its own separate world which we can call the spirit world. This world is only for the souls. When a soul is born on earth, then it comes to the earth from the self. We will see all these things with further analysis. If anything is on the greatest important in life, it is how we act in the world. If has something more important in life, then this is how our karma works, and if we have done something wrong, then how will all these things arise in front of us. But in this video I will tell you this much, that you can get answers to lots of questions in this series. If you ask any question in comment box, I will definitely answer it as much as possible, but we will completely know about life, about death, about angels, about spirit world, about God, about our karma, and many more things will be seen in this series. And I will try to do something special for those who lost someone. I will try to answer all these questions as much as I know. So if you are interested in that, then stay connected with this channel. Thank you very much.